Hi everyone, my name is Ryan and welcome to our macrame hanging planter craft. Following will be an instructional video on how to make a macrame hanging planter that you can either do with the materials you receive from a grab and go from our library or that you can source yourself. You will need 3 lengths of macrame cord that are 54 inches each, a wooden ring, and a small planter. Okay, the first thing that we do is that you'll fold your 3 pieces of 54-inch macrame cord in half. And once it's folded in half, you will loop it through the ring and pull like this. So once you pull it through, this is called a lark shed knot. You pull tight because this is the top of our hanging planter. So the best way to do it, I find, is to separate your string into the braided sections. So here on your right side and on the center side. Okay, your next step, from 7 inches down from the top ring, so we're gonna measure it 7 inches from that ring, you will make a half knot. The way you make a half knot is just like tying your shoes in 2 different directions. So the first thing we'll do is keep this here. So you'll remember it because you'll do it in 2 separate directions. First, we're going right over left in our knot, and then we slip it through just like a regular knot. And we make our way up to the 7-inch line. And this is where we'll really make the half knot, is that we do it in the opposite direction. This time you'll do left over right and slip it underneath. And if you look closely, you'll notice that these knots are moving in 2 opposite directions. And you will make sure that they meet at 7 inches. And then you tighten them. You pull them together and they make this cute little donut looking knot. And then you do that 2 more times with our 2 other sections. Also want them to be exactly the same length, so you can use the other as a comparison. It's really a form of preference. Okay, so our next step is that we are going to measure 3 inches from these knots and make another half knot. What we will do is we will join them together in pairs. So we get all the way to 3. And then we do another half knot, left over right. Left over right. Okay, and then we'll take the outsides and do 1 more. Right over left. Okay, and now we pull from 4.5 inches and make a nice knot. There we go. What we're gonna do is open it up, and it's best to do it from the top and then slide it in. Make sure that the triangles at the bottom are spread out to hold it as best as possible. And then you put your plant in.